lights are out.
Yeah.
Except for the starter light, no caution lights.
No caution lights.
Okay.
And let's check the roll RPM.
Yeah. And this is really slowly roll it down. This is what we do during the flight too. Okay. Now, horn, stop here. Horn and light is working.
Yeah.
And then during the low RPM recovery, we slowly increase the throttle and lower collective a tiny bit. So really small and controlled inputs. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So I'm gonna turn. You have the hand on the collective. Okay, you have controls.
Yeah, I have control.
You have controls. I turn the key to the right magneto so that it's easier for us to understand.
Yeah.
We request South Cherry departure.
Information Foxtrot.
Yep.
November 15 Delta number 2 follows the traffic on base.
Okay, don't do that. Okay. When you have controls, don't let go of the collective here. Okay? So the collective came up. It really comes up. In A3 Hotel, you have to be so careful with that.
Okay, I got it.
Once we are here, collective friction is off. Don't let go of the collective. Okay?
Yeah.
Okay.
Long Beach Tower Helicopter 7683 Hotel at Maverick request South Cherry departure with information Foxtrot.
Helicopter 7683 Hotel Long Beach Tower, departure from Maverick will be at your own risk. South Cherry approved.
South Cherry approved. Landing departure at Maverick will be on my risk. Helicopter A3 Hotel.
Okay, hold on a second.
Yeah.
Left both. Okay, keys at both. Now get light on the skids. You do the takeoff.
Okay.
Okay, get light on the skids. Pick us up. More left pedal. We need left pedal.
Yeah.
Get up here. We have to take off faster.
Yeah.
Right, forward, left.
Side forward, left.
So the pedal turn here. Don't skid around here. Pedal turn and now normal takeoff.
Okay.
So we have to practice pickups and shutdowns more because this has to happen faster here. Okay. So 40 knots, normal takeoff here. Okay, 40 knots, a little bit aft cyclic. Raise collective to our 5-minute takeoff power.
Okay.
Right, forward, left. A little bit closer over here, because if we have incoming traffic, 60 knots. Speed up to 60 knots, 500 feet. Okay, don't go higher than 500 here with Signal Hill.
Signal here.
Yep. Now, keep the 500, 70 knots. 500 feet, 70 knots here.
570 knots.
Yep.
Helicopter 426, frequency change approved.
Frequency change approved.
You are A3 Hotel. Listen to the radio, okay?
426.
You are A3 Hotel.
Yeah.
Cruise track 556, short switch approved, runway 26 left, cleared for the option.
265 left option, this one is very regular, landing clear track 526.
700 feet, 70
Cruise track
knots here.
700, runway 26 right, cleared for the option.
Clear for the option, cruise track 700.
70 knots.
70 knots.
Helicopter A3 Hotel, frequency change approved.
Frequency change approved, helicopter A3 Hotel.
Here's 700 here, okay?
Yeah.
700 feet,
70 knots.
700. Go down.
Yeah.
Here you have to be precise. The Long Beach area, we are not allowed to be higher than 700 feet, unless tower tells us otherwise.
Yeah.
Okay? And I will make the radio call over Queen Mary because it's a little bit different than we usually do it. Because we are not going to Point Fermin. Okay?
So heading to where?
Yep, Queen Mary.
Yeah.
Queen Mary, 700 feet. This is normal. Keep the 700. Really pay attention here.
Okay.
Okay?
So heading to westbound?
No, just heading to Queen Mary for now. And
yeah.
then we stay in this harbor area here where the cranes are.
Okay.
Okay? 700. Pay attention.
Okay, 700 feet.
70 knots.
70 knots. So not calling for the heading?
I will make the call.
Okay. I'm gonna listen about it.
Because we will maneuver here in this area, we stay in the harbor area here.
Okay.
We will not go to Point Fermin.
Yeah.
We will stay here north of Sea Lounge.
I got it.
Harbor traffic, helicopter 7680 Hotel over Queen Mary, 700 feet. We will climbing to 2,000 feet, maneuvering north of Sea Lounge. Harbor traffic. Okay, so start your climb here.
Yeah.
So now we will start to climb to 2,000.
2,000.
Yep.
Got it.
Keep flying straight here.
Yeah.
Okay.
Keep the 70 knots right.
You can slow down to 60 knots and we climb a little bit faster.
Okay, 60 knots.
Yep, and you can raise collective to our 5-minute takeoff power.
Yeah.
And here, this is right in front of us, this is Sea Lounge, and we will maneuver in this area today.
I got it.
Okay?
Yeah.
Okay, for now, fly straight here.
Okay.
Harbor traffic, helicopter 7683 Hotel, 1,500 feet over Sea Lounge, climbing to 2,000 feet, maneuvering north of Sea Lounge. Harbor traffic. So here's the system now. And this is where we will maneuver today, most of the time.
Yeah. Maneuver E-Lounge?
Maneuver Sea Lounge. This thing is called Sea Lounge.
Yeah.
And we will maneuvering, so we will do different maneuvers here.
Harbor traffic, helicopter over 26, over clear 1,000 feet, heading westbound to Point Fermin, Harbor.
Okay, we are getting closer to 2,000 feet now.
Yeah.
Okay. And what we want to find out now